Mukbang Mermaid.
I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I mukbang that way. Today I got a game.
A game?
Yeah, a game. Hey, Bubbles. Today we're playing a game called Real vs. Gummy.
Gummy?
Alright, Bubbles. In this hat, it says real or gummy. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who gets what. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah!
Sorry, Abner.
That was poking me in my eye. Seriously.
Sorry, Abner.
Be careful with those nails.
Okay, let's do it so.
Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah!
Alright, Bubbles, we've got the paper. The first food that'll be eaten is a taco. Let's see who got the real and who got the gummy. Abner, 1, 2, 3. Wow! I got the real! What? We've got a real taco and a gummy taco.
Are you?
Abner, friend.
I'm hungry.
Ooh, let me get my real taco. Look at that, Bubbles. Ooh, 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 ooh. And it smells so good. Gotta take a little sauce on mine.
Ah, look. Oh.
And I mean, that meat is busting out the taco.
Yo. Oh my God, you just tore that thing in half. What is this?
This guy, I'm sorry, Abner. Ah!
Don't play with me.
Sorry, Abby, Ab.
I'm hungry. I can't eat that.
It's okay, Abner. We've got something good for the next round. Hey, Abner.
What is it?
I'm a little parched and dry at my gills.
Yeah, me too, all those gummies.
I'm gonna need something to drink.
Okay.
Real versus gummy.
Okay.
Soda edition. Who's gonna get the real and who's gonna get the gummy?
Yeah.
Alright, Abner. Let's see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Don't you come on, man. I'm good.
Cutting ya.
That's fine, Abner. You
Yeah.
go first. Alright. Oh no! No!
Team Abner. Team Abner.
No! Bubbles! Team Mukbang or Team Abner? Write it in the comments.
Yes.
Team Mukbang!
Where's my prize? What do we got?
Give me a second, Abner! Pardon me. Here's
Whoa! Is that yours? What? That thing is minuscule. You good luck drinking that.
Oh no! Sorry. This is why I need the real Abner. You can't even handle a bottle of pop.
Back up.
Give me that Abner, please. Is there anything I can do?
You've never been that nice. You better back off me.
Abner, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure he's never been that nice to me.
It's not even liquid. It's not even nothing in it. Abner,
That's refreshing.
Abner. We are now entering round 3, real versus gummy. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first. Abner? Abner, come on, man.
was in my groove.
Team Mukbang. Team Mukbang.
Abner. Team Abner.
Bubbles, leave it in the comments. Team Mukbang.
Abner.
Team Mukbang. Let's get it, Abby. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Don't you do it, you silly rabbit. You silly rabbit. I did it again. Cut it out. Cut it out. You get it?
I don't understand.
Come
what
on,
am I doing wrong with this game?
Come on. Yeah.
Go ahead, Abner.
Sorry. Oh, what is that?
Abner.
What is that? What just happened?
I think you just unlocked a level.
What just happened?
We're on level 3 of the game, Abner.
Is that electrocution?
I don't know.
Is it safe?
I didn't know it could do that.
Alright, let's see. Let's mix them up here.
This is round 3, Bubbles. And what's at stake is burger and fries.
What?
Real fries, Gummy. I hope I get the real.
Burgers? Burger man.
1, 2, 3. Let's see. Hey, are you enjoying Mukbang Mermaid? Well, if so, it's time for you to put the verdict in. Give me a like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that notification bell for all new updates. I love you so much. And don't ever forget, nothing is impossible. Go after your dreams. Now let's get back to the show. Real fast Gummy. I got Gummy.
Yeah! Yeah!
What is going on? Whatever.
Yeah!
Whatever, Abner.
Bring me my food.
You think you all that, don't you?
I do. Bring me my food, please. Please. Hey, be careful with that. Where did this come from?
Abner, pull out your burger and fries. I got the Gummy.
Holy moly! Oh my god!
Oh, Abner, that looks and smells so good. Abner.
Back up!
Abner, is that bacon? Oh.
Oh, that's what I always like to do.
Abner, what's that, a roach? It's a roach.
Where? I hate where?
Yes. Abner, can I please have some fries?
No! Look at this burger! Wow! Look at that!
Oh, Abner, those fries taste delicious.
What do you mean they taste delicious?
They smell delicious, Abner.
Please! You made the rules. This is your game. I love this game. Oh, look at that!
Look at that.
That's a nice burger! You make sure you eat your burger. Come on. Show them your burger.
Here, my fries, Bubbles.
Wow! Enjoy those.
And here's my... I know that meat smells divine. Can I please make it mine? Abner, please.
What is that? Oh my god!
It's a Gummy burger. What do you think it is?
Wow!
There's not even any bacon on it. Here's my burger, Bubbles. Burgers and fries, anyone?
How is it? Has it got pickles?
Dang, Abner. How's your burger?
Delicious. Oh. How's your fries? How's your burger?
It's okay. Can't even get the gummy out. Oh. Oh. These are too sour.
Sour?
Why are these sour?
Oh my.
Hi, Abner. This is the last and final round. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! You're going down. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh no! What are you doing? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh no!
Quit playing with me!
Are you reading my mind?
Stop that!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
What?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
What?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Yes! Oh my god! I'm exhausted. I'm still hungry though, I'll tell you that.
I'm getting better at it.
I got one. I got one. I got one.
Pardon me, sorry about that.
I got one.
It was those gummy fries.
I
Alright. On the count of 3, Abner. 1, 2,
come on.
Yes! 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 Who's the mermaid? I'm the mermaid. Strong mermaid. Yeah! Ha ha! Oh, Abner, I'm so sorry.
I'm still hungry.
Looks like it's gummy sushi for you.
Sushi?
Yeah! Bubbles! Looks like I got the real sushi!
Why didn't you two
Yum.
do sushi?
Sorry, Abby. Abner's got the gummy sushi bubbles and I got the real sushi.
Look at that. Look at that.
I got the real sushi
Look
bubbles.
at that.
See if I can get it.
Wow.
I can't. Okay.
But I want. Oh my goodness! No!
Sorry, Abner.
Oh my god!
Maybe next time you'll win.
Oh, it smells amazing! Oh my gosh!
It looks good.
I love sushi! I love sushi! Sushi
I
loves
cannot
me!
get it with these chopsticks.
Good, I should get it for you.
Get out of here, Abner. That's so good.
It looks like sushi, but it's not.
Sorry, Abner. Real recognize real, and I got the real. Well, Bubbles? You can't even get in that gummy. Bubbles, I love you. And I want to thank you for joining us at the other end of the table for our game of Real vs. Gummy. What did you vote for? Team Abner or Team Muck? Leave it in the comments. Bubbles, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all new updates. Can't wait to see you. Love you, Bubbles. Bye. I told you I'm not always win. Anna, get out of my sushi. Anna, stay out of my sushi, okay?
Sorry.
This ain't the game for you, man.
Sorry.
When I was in the pen in Alcatraz, you don't want to know what I did to those people.
I'm sorry.
Now, let me eat in peace and eat your gummies.
Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.